In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a simple dinosaur like this one right here. You can use markers, crayons, pencils, whatever you want. I'm going to do it in Procreate. Let's go. Thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Juna with Detour Shirts. I've been designing and selling t-shirts online since 2005. If that's something you want to learn how to do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So in this video, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to start doing drawing videos. I'm very new to this platform, to Procreate. I know how to draw, but this new medium with the pencil and Procreate, it's really tough. So I wanted to challenge myself and draw and more things. And so I asked my Facebook group what animal they would like me to draw first, and most of the people there wanted me to draw a dinosaur. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I draw a dinosaur. I'm going to be drawing it in Procreate. You can follow along with markers, with crayons, with pencils, whatever you have. Just follow the same steps that I'm doing and you can draw your own dinosaur as well. So the rest of this video will be on Procreate, so let's get started. All right, so I'm here on Procreate. I'm just going to be using black here. You can see I got black selected, and the brush I'm using, if you want to use the same one, is Script right here. So I'm just going to click on here and draw the first part, and we're going to do the head first. And the head, for me, the way I do it, this is going to be just a simple version. So you're going to start here and kind of make a C shape, so like this and that. So that's good enough. And then we're going to do the mouth. So that's the top of the face, the head, and then we're going to do the mouth like this and do a little curve like that. The next thing I'm going to do is draw the eyebrow, and I'm just going to do that like that. And then the back of the head is this shape, kind of an opposite C. So you can see right there, that's just the head of the T-Rex. We're drawing a T-Rex. The next thing I want to do is draw the neck and kind of the chest area. So the neck starts here and then it's going to come out like this. So one stroke, just like that. And the next thing is the arms. So they got really tiny arms. I'm going to put, we're going to do this right here, come down and up and kind of make the hands like this, like little claws, and then go back in like that. Okay, and the next one is the other arm in the back. I'm going to draw like this and do the same thing, kind of like that, his two arms. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is the belly. It's going to come down like this. So let's go in here and just do the belly. And the big legs, T-Rex have big legs, so we're going to start up here and kind of come down. So we're going to come down like this, big legs, and down and up like that. Okay, and don't worry if you're crossing over here, you can erase these. If you have a marker, then you might want to be more careful, but in Procreate we can erase it. So the other leg is going to be on the other side of this belly, so down, just down like this. And the back side, we're going to do the neck. It's going to come in and then out, and then we're going to have a tail here and go back in. So here we go. In and out, have a tail here, and boom. And you can see it's almost done. All we need is the eyes. So I'm just going to draw a nice circle here. Just real simple, right? And then the nose, just real simple like that. And we can draw in some teeth, some really small teeth here. And there you go. That's our dinosaur. And so I'm gonna color it and I'll show you how to do that next. All right, so I just cleaned it up a little bit and I'm gonna color it. I'm gonna make a new layer first on here, and I'm just gonna put that in the back there, and then pick a green, maybe that one. Yeah, and then we'll just color it. I'm gonna use the monoline brush and just color it. I'm gonna make it bigger. So I added a little bit of color right here and some color on his teeth. And now I'm gonna just add some highlights just to make it, and I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but this is one way to do it. So I'm gonna add a layer here and make this layer a clipping mask of that. And then I'm just gonna do some highlights. So I'm gonna use white and that pen, and let's see what we can do here. Just add some light here, light. Let's see, maybe some right there. Maybe some right here, and there, and there. Something like that. Maybe a nice one right here. And then I'm gonna just take the opacity down on this one. You can see a nice highlight there. I could use any of these things too. I'm gonna do another one for the shadow, so I'm click here and hit plus, and I'm also gonna make, that one's also a clipping mask, so I'm gonna take a darker color, something like that, and same brush, and I'm gonna make it darker under here, maybe a shadow, maybe a shadow here. Here. I'm new to this, so I don't know, something like there. That. You know, just add some shadows. Have fun with this one. Yeah. Maybe this is some shadow here too. Whatever. All right. And then I can take the opacity down on that one too. And that's it. That's your simple dinosaur. I'm gonna get better at this Procreate stuff. This isn't the best. And you can change your background color if you don't want it white, you know, you make something cool like that. And if you want to give it a cool, let's say I'm gonna add a background here, move this there. I'm gonna just draw a circle, like a white. Find this one, and then I'll just then maybe this is, maybe let's make it more white. Boom. Oh, and we're gonna blur it. So I think you do here, and you do Gaussian blur layer. Ooh, something like that. That's pretty cool. All right, like you see, I'm still learning this whole Procreate stuff, but there you go. Simple. I'm sure I'm gonna get better after this, but that's how you do a simple dinosaur in Procreate. So that is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. I got one in the corner right here. And if you want to see more videos on how to make t-shirts and things like that, click these videos right here. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.